Namaskar. Weekly horoscope week commencing 17th of May till 23rd of May 2021. So all the weekly horoscopes are based on moon sign as well as your ascendant as well as your rising sign as well as based on your Lagna Rashi. You can take it according to your moon sign or your rising sign, your ascendant or your Lagna Rashi. For all of you. Aries weekly brief forecast. 17th May till 23rd of May, Aries. In this coming week, your profession will go through mediocre state, Aries. But not to worry. You'll be extremely busy. There'll be lots of running around. Lots of expenditure. Aries, you'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, decision maker. You'll come across lots of dignified opportunities to make money. One of your major problems will be resolved and understood. There'll be a great improvement in your circumstances. By the weekend, Aries, you have to look after your health. You must take care of your health regarding your lower abdomen, throat infection, anything to do with the neck. Please refrain from any kind of family arguments, conflict, family disputes. If you are in a joint venture, you have to sort out few issues. Beware of any kind of financial losses. You might be able to, in the middle of a financial transaction, but transaction will be revolving around a lot of conflicting situation, tricky situation, can be very tricky. You have to deal with this kind of situation in a most delicate way. Please refrain from aggression. Watch your mannerism. You have to be on guard, alert, and you will have to be making sure that mentally, physically, you should be there, on guard, alert, please. In this coming week, due to Ketu's position in 8th house, look after your digestive system, beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Look after your marriage relationship. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 2nd house. Watch your word of speech. Make sure you're not offending anybody. Take care of your marriage relationship. Take care of your financial transaction. Do watch your flow of income and financial backing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the week, which can define you your moon's transit. Moon's transit will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. An extensive weekly report will define you what tasks you should perform if you're trapped in a tricky situation. What precaution you should implement that you should not be trapped in a tricky situation. What chanting you should do to boost you up. For that kind of extensive report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire your weekly horoscope report. Implement the report, achieve your best. Taurus weekly brief forecast. 17th May till 23rd of May 2021. In this coming week, there will be great improvement in your circumstances. You'll make a lot of plans. You'll be able to materialize your plans into real-time system. A lot of your complication will be resolved, done and dusted. Things are moving forward. There will be lots of financial opportunities, prosperity, rising, success, name, fame, and future secured. You'll get the support, coordination of your family members and help of your own people. Health-wise, you have to be extra cautious. You have to be very careful regarding your head, regarding headaches or eye infection and your lower abdomen. Try not to be lazy. Try not to adopt any kind of a laid-back attitude, which will not work for you. You'll end up spending a lot of money on fruitless tasks, fruitless events, sometimes wasting money on something which will not give you anything back. You have to be very careful about your word of speech, your expression. And more you become aggressive, more you'll be able to ruin something very important for yourself. You'll involve in a lot of discussions with your elders, with your own people, and good people as well. You will have a lots of ideas in your mind, what to do, how to do, but you still need a lot of advice, and you have to accommodate other people's point of view as well as listen to them very carefully and think very thoroughly before you implement anything. You have to consider a long-term future before you make any vital decision whatsoever, professionally as well as personally. Be careful. But due to Ketu's position in 7th house, sometimes personal relationship can be sour. Sometimes there is a lot of fluctuation in your personal and professional life. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in first house. Look after your marriage. Look after your profession. Do watch your decision. Do watch your thinking, the way you're thinking. Mars position in second house. Make sure you should think before you speak. Make sure you should watch your aggression. Make sure you should not initiate any argument or conflict. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define you moon's transit for the whole week. Your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what tasks you must do when you're trapped in an ugly situation. What precaution you should implement to save yourself. What chanting you must do to boost you spiritually very high, boost yourself up. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve your best. Gemini weekly brief forecast. Gemini, 17th May till 23rd May 2021. In this coming week, due to Saturn's Dhyas effect, you go through lots of struggles, unexpected obstacles, waste of time, too much tension, too much insecurity, sometimes family complications, domestic issues, fruitless expenditure. Sometimes you can be all over the place, but refrain from uncontrolled aggression. You have a lots of secret tension which you don't want to share with anybody. Most of your hopes or desires will be fulfilled. You'll be able to accommodate quite a lot. Lot of your stale project will be back on track. You receive an important news from abroad. You receive important news around you. There will be a rise in status, prestige and honor. If you're self-employed, then you have to be very careful regarding your flow of income. Sometimes expenditure can be sky high. Income resources can be low. Please beware of any fine, penalty, punishment. Refrain from investing any money in any kind of a gambling. You must look after your eyes. You must look after your back, your joints, and you should not do anything which you can't justify. And look after your legs and feet. You have to be very careful. Beware of an accident. Due to Saturn's position in 8th house, look after your legs, look after your marriage relationship. Look after your health, look after your profession. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 12th house. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment. Beware of unexpected losses. And do look after your reputation. Ketu's position in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies. If there are any health issues linked with urine, bladders, feet, legs, you must go and consult your doctor. You might need a complete weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define you, your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in any kind of a tricky situation. What precautions you must implement to save yourself up. What chanting you must do to raise your status spiritually very high for you if you're rising. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly brief forecast. Cancerian, 17th May till 23rd of May. Cancerian. Cancerian, in this coming week, you go through lots of struggles, and your hard work will pay you back in the form of income resources. But there will be lots of fruitless running around, unexpected expenditure, fruitless expenditure, sometimes traveling around quite a lot for nothing, wasting time. There will be a rise in family comfort. Try not to adopt any kind of a layback attitude. Sometimes due to domestic reasons, sometimes due to professional reasons, you can be under a lot of stress. There will be lots of domestic complications due to communication issues and due to ego clashes. And domestic life sometimes, may I say that, not very harmonious due to third party influence in the family relationship, which must avoid at any cost. Health wise, do take care of your headaches, eyesight. Sometimes you can be very much annoyed very much upset, and you should not invest any negative emotions in anything you do and perform. That is not right thing to do. You'll have to adopt a practical attitude whatsoever. There will be lots of delays in completion of your important task, projects, investments. Sometime you have to exercise your patience, but keep up your efforts. Due to Jupiter's position in 8th house, look after your health, look after your marriage, look after your relationship. Ketu's position in 5th house, take care of your health regarding tummy, digestive system. Beware of confusing illusions. Mars position in 12th house. Beware of financial losses or bad debts. Sun, Mercury, Venus and Rahu into 11th house. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment by higher authority. Beware of any legal conflict. You might need a complete weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit. Moon's transit will define you, your vision, your imaginations, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what tasks you must do to come out any kind of ugly situation or tricky situation. What precautions you must implement to save your skin. What chanting you must do to create a spiritual boost in your life. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the weekly horoscope report, achieve your best. Leo brief weekly forecast. Week commencing 17th of May till 23rd of May. Leo, in this coming week, your income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. Professionally, you'll be extremely busy. There'll be a few different opinions between family members due to misunderstanding, due to complications. You'll be very much restless. Sometimes focus, concentration is not there. Your situation, circumstances are very prominent, but you have to handle this very, very carefully. Leo, you have to invest a lot of patience. You have to handle the whole matter in the most productive way. With your hard work, with your determination, with your courage, with your confidence, you can win the world. You can achieve everything. And you can make something very dignified regarding accomplishments. Please refrain from over-aggression, over-emotional attitude. Don't get overexcited. You have to calm down yourself. Your expenditure can be sky high, sometime on fruitless things, which will not bring anything back to you in the form of substance or achievements. Do take care of your lower abdomen, below the bottom of belly. Any issue linked with urine or blood, you have to take care of yourself. Due to Ketu's position in 4th house, sometimes focus, concentration, peace of mind is not there. Due to Saturn's position in 6th house, look after your marriage relationship. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 10th house. Look after your profession, career. Beware of any kind of a professional conflict. Moon's position in 12th house. Beware of financial losses. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define you, your moon's transit, your decision, your choices, your vision, your imagination, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what tasks you must perform if you're trapped in any kind of a situation, what precautions you must implement to get out of any situation, what chanting you must do to create a spiritual boost inside you. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo, weekly brief forecast, Virgo. Week commencing 17th of May till 23rd of May 2021. In this coming week, Virgo, your project will be back on track. They'll be rising in communications. Lots of new doors will be opening for you. Lots of new achievements, new contacts, new financial resources, professional opportunities will be there for you. You'll be able to materialize your vision, your plans. And your hard work will pay you back in the form of success, prosperity rising. Family situations will improve as compared to past. You have to look after your health regarding your back, regarding your lower abdomen. Beware of tension, depressions. There are few financial insecurities and some sort of a huge expenditure or debts. You have to handle it very carefully. You have to overcome all these kind of tedious situations, and you have to do what you need to do. You have to invest hard work, time, passion, understanding, and you'll be able to create everything with your own determination, drive, dedication, discipline. You have to be focused. Changes are most positive is coming for you, and so be prepared. But all depending your drive, your determination, your discipline, your dedication, devotion, focus, concentration. Due to Saturn's position in 5th house, try not to be lazy and look after your tummy. Ketu's position in 3rd house, watch your communication. Refrain from any kind of a cheating, fraud and deception. Sun, Mercury, Venus in 9th house. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 9th house. Look after your status, prestige and honor. Look after your decisions and choices. Don't live in any superficial state of mind, please. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the week, which will define you, your moon's transit, your division, your decisions, your choices, your imaginations, your health, your harmony, your happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report will give you the task. What task you must do to come out from any kind of a tricky situations. What precautions you must implement for your best. What chanting you must do to create a spiritual boost for yourself. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Libra, weekly brief forecast, Libra. 17th May till 23rd May 2021. Libra, in this coming week, you come across lots of family, financial insecurities, uncertainties, a lot of tedious, complex situations. Libra, mentally you can be very much upset, very much annoyed. You'll have to take care of your health. Sometime income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. Libra, you'll come across lots of professional complication, financial complication. But with your effort, you will be able to overcome, achieve your financial rewards, income resources. If you're making any financial dealings regarding property or car or buying any new business, then you have to be very careful. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. You have to be very careful. When you're mingling with people, don't listen to too much pokey pies. Don't take everybody's word of speech like a universal truth. Keep on asking questions until you find the real truth. Health-wise, you have to look after your lower abdomen, below the button of belly. Any issue linked with lower abdomen, throat infection, any issue linked with head, eyes, anything linked with blood or digestive system, you have to be very careful. Due to Saturn's position in 4th house, sometimes family comfort is not there. Sometimes you will be very annoyed and disappointed. Refrain from deep sadness. Ketu's position in 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Do watch your debts. Watch your word of speech with people around you. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 8th house. Health-wise, look after your heart, your lower abdomen, and do watch your decisions. Look after your relationship and personal life. And beware of any kind of a fine, penalty, punishment. Beware of any kind of a conflicts. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define you, your moon's transit, your visions, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report will give you what tasks you must perform if you're trapped in any kind of a situation. What precautions you must implement to do your best. What chanting you must do to create your spiritual high. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Implement the whole report and achieve your best. Scorpio, brief weekly forecast. Week commencing 17th May till 23rd of May. Scorpio, in this coming week, your temper can be sky high. You can be overexcited. You spend a lot of money. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people. With your determined effort, you will be able to create a lot of income resources, financial resources. Health-wise, Scorpio, you have to be very careful regarding any issue linked with lower abdomen, blood, digestive system. Beware of any kind of accident. You're on accident prone. You'll come across lots of accident scenario. You have to be very, very careful about your driving. Refrain from any kind of a foul company. There'll be a happy occasion in the family, maybe a celebration in the family. You have to be very careful if you are in a joint venture. You must improve your communication instead of using emotions. Don't use emotions or aggression. You have to be more polite, diplomatic in your attitude, especially if you are in a joint venture. That's the only way you can achieve your success. Otherwise, you won't. Otherwise, you'll initiate a totally unnecessary conflict with people around you. Don't need that. So be careful and beware of any kind of a conflicting situation or arguments, please. Due to Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 7th house. Look after your personal life and professional life. Beware of professional conflict and personal conflict, please. If there's any developed misunderstanding between you and your partner, marriage partner, romantic partner, business partner, you have to initiate, you got to sort it out. You need to do what you need to do. And Mars position in 8th house. More you become aggressive, foul in your attitude, more you ruin things. Please, watch your aggression, watch your behavior. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do to get out from any kind of a tricky situation, what precaution you must implement to achieve your best, what spiritual chanting you must do to overcome any situation and achieve what you've been waiting for. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the report, weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Sagittarius weekly view forecast, week commencing 17th of May till 23rd of May. Sagittarius, in this coming week, you'll come across lots of tricky situations, difficult scenarios, situations. You'll face a lot of obstacles, delays, waste of time. But with your determination, Sagittarius, with your drive, discipline, and may I say vision, you'll bring income resources, financial rewards, success, prosperity, rising. Sagittarius, health-wise, you must look after your digestive system. Please beware of any tensions, depression, and any issue linked with blood, any issue linked with bladders, especially if you are diabetic. You have to be very careful about your diet. Refrain from any kind of negative type of thinking, depressive thoughts. Sagittarius, by the weekend, Mars situation will improve. All of your circumstances will improve and you'll be back on track. You have to be very careful about regarding your speech, your behavior, your temper, your mannerism. If you're mingling and dealing with people, you have to be very, very careful about your word of speech. You can get a lot of support, help, guidance. You can attract a lot of good people for your planning ventures. You can attract all these people for some sort of a support to you, but all depend on your word of speech, your mannerism, how polite you are, simple as that. You can create lots of plans and you'll have a chance to materialize all these plans, most of your plannings to real-time system. But watch your behavior. Due to Saturn's position in 2nd house, sometimes issue with the flow of income. Sometimes your attitude can be full of, may I say that, egoistic. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 6th house. Beware of any issue linked with legality. Mars position in 7th house. Watch your word of speech. Stop offending people with your word of speech, personally or professionally. Moon's position in 8th house. Sometimes health, harmony, happiness is not there. You have to be very careful. Stop investing emotion in everything you do and perform. Think logically. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report will give you what tasks you must perform to get out from any kind of a tricky situation or trap. What precautions you must implement to achieve your best. What chanting you must do which can boost you spiritually very high to come out any kind of situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Capricorn brief weekly forecast. 17th May till 23rd of May 2021. Capricorn, in this coming weeks, Saturn Sadesati affect you. You can be under a lot of stress. You can be very much annoyed, disappointed, very much upset. You can be very harsh, sometimes very much overexcited, sometimes very much down. You should rather be cool, calm and plan very thoroughly before you uttering any word or speech to anybody. Your aggression and your foul temper ruin things. Your stubborn attitude can ruin things. Your expenditure can be a sky, but you can be under a huge debt. Sometimes flow of income is not there. You have to borrow some money. By the weekend, please exercise your humility, exercise your creativity, exercise your dynamic spirit, exercise your materialization of your plans. And please be focused, be determined, be driven. Your profession will test your fiber. You have to make sure that you should not be disturbed or distracted. You have to carry on concentrating and focusing on what you really want to achieve. Focus on your goal. You need to be motivated. Please motivate yourself. Please build up your drive. Motivate yourself. You have to understand this is a harsh test. If you come out from this particular test, then you'll be able to achieve your goal post. No doubt about it. But due to Ketu's position in 11th house, sometimes financial resources can fluctuate. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 5th house. Sometimes decision maker support will not be there. Sometimes there are legal issues you have to overcome. Moon, Mars in 6th house. Watch your flow of income. Watch your financial backing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit, your decisions, your visions, your choices, your imaginations, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in an ugly situation to come out from that particular situation. What precautions you must implement to achieve your best. What chanting you must do to achieve your spiritual supremacy, to come out any kind of situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius, weekly brief forecast. Aquarius, 17th May till 23rd of May. Aquarius, in this coming week, you'll come across lots of challenges, complications, hassles. But you must keep up your efforts, build up your drive, motivate yourself. You have to be more determined. You have to be more dedicated. You have to invest more discipline, passion in your profession, in your life, in your work. Aquarius, by the weekend, you'll come across lots of professional people, powerful people, decision maker. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people. And they'll help you, they'll guide you. What you've been seeking, what you want to achieve at this particular moment, you need to be focused. You need to be more determined, driven. Stop winding up yourself in any active way. Don't do that. All these obstacles are your test, but you'll be able to overcome all these kind of scenarios and you'll be able to achieve everything with your vision, with your drive, with your discipline, with your determination. But due to Ketu's position in 10th house, profession can fluctuate. You'll have a few issues with your professional colleagues. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 4th house. Beware of any legal issue. Watch your peace of mind. Watch your decisions and choices. Watch your focus and concentration. Beware of any legal conflict. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the week, which can define you your moon's transit. That will define you your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do if you're trapped in any kind of a situation to come out from that situation. What precautions you must implement to achieve your best. What chanting you must do to create a spiritual boost in yourself. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the report, implement the report, achieve your best. Pisces weekly forecast. Pisces. Week commencing 17th May till 23rd of May. Pisces in this coming week, with the help of well-wishers, family, friends, colleagues, with their help you'll be able to overcome lots of your problems, lots of your complications. There will be a great improvement in your circumstances. Your hard work, your vision, your imagination, your determination, your drive will pay you back in the form of income resources, for financial opportunities, for gain, for prosperity, for rising. If you are in a joint venture, then you have to be very careful. Sometimes expected gain, prosperity, achievements will not be there. With your determination and efforts, you'll be able to create a new income resources, for financial resources, financial opportunities, unique opportunities for future. You will have to be very careful about your decisions, about your choices. You have to be extremely cautious and careful about your health. Beware of any kind of secret tensions. You have to be watching your actions, conduct, dealing, mingling, and temper and word of speech. You have to leave your comfort zone. You have to accommodate any unique opportunities. You have to run around mentally and physically. You have to do what you need to do. Refrain from any kind of a foul temper. You have to create a practical solution to your problems. You have to be practical. Due to Jupiter position in 12th house, sometimes you have to leave your comfort zone to acquire a dignified opportunity. Mars position in 4th house. Sometimes your temper can be sky high. Sometimes you are very agitated. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in 3rd house. Look after your communication with the whole world. Refrain from any kind of a scandal. Watch your actions and conduct. You must take care of your financial commitments, your fruitless investments. Please, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what tasks you must do to come out from any kind of a trap or ugly situation. What precautions you must implement to achieve your best. What chanting you must do to achieve your spiritual supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the particular report, weekly horoscope report from my website, implement the report, achieve your best.